Hey everyone, welcome back to Vlogmas, 12 Days of Christmas. So yesterday we painted this little pomegranate sort of cozy warm food with these little flowers. Today we're going to work on another drawing. So something that I'm pretty used to doing. And again, we're using the Hanamula little postcards. And what little sketch series would be a sketch series without me doing a set of mountains? So I'm going to do mountains today, snowy mountains preferably. And as mentioned, I have done a sketch. Here is the photo. And here's the sketch. So I'm going to kind of reference the sketch and the photo all at once. And so to continue with the limited color palette, I'm going to even limit myself further. With this color palette, we are strictly sticking to blue, green, and white. Now white is going to be challenging because it's primarily shadows. Now this photo I found on Unsplash, and I really loved sort of the fog. And I want to try to capture that in some of these upper mountains, so it's going to be very subtle. This one, I have a strong feeling is going to go by quickly because it is just a little bit of color. And now that I look at some of the sort of trees, they're actually like almost too small to see too many of them. So I'm gonna treat it as if it was more of a forest and then just have a couple little trees here. And I'm actually just gonna give myself a guide so that I'm not creating too many lines. But that's pretty much the sketch. The sketch is super simple. Like I said, I think this one's going to be a short one. So let me create the colors, clean off my palette from yesterday, and let's get into it. Okay, so first I'm going to block in some of the green, and this green is kind of blue. So I have some leftover blue, and I'm just going to try to make this sort of like deep forest blue. Green. The thing with watercolors is that, gouache, is that you can't, not that you can't, but you have a hard time creating the same color twice because it is very saturated. So that's why I'm trying to kind of create enough color that I get, you know, the segment that I'm looking to get down first, so that I don't run out of color. So that's why I'm kind of treating it this way, and it's actually kind of working. So there's like little bits of green throughout the snow here, so I'm just gonna treat it like that. And then there's a couple of sort of reflections, in here. And this is supposed to be a pond. So now that I can go back, the same color on top of itself makes things a little bit darker, so that creates a nice effect, especially if you're going for a monotone effect, just very lightly layering. All right, there you have it. That one was extremely simple, very cute, and easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.